Thank you, Diane. Now, in a few weeks' time, the new series of Doctor Who will be on the telly. A whole new set of monsters to send us scurrying behind the sofa. And in Manchester, there is a new exhibition aimed at bringing fans up close to some of the best-known and scariest characters. Our reporter Andy Gill, who, like me, is old enough to remember the very first series of Doctor Who, conquered his fear long enough to bring us this report.
My Christmas dinner! You shouldn't even exist!
Well, sorry, Doctor, she does exist at Manchester Museum of Science and Industry, to be precise. And it'll be the first time this particular model's been shown at a Doctor Who exhibition.
It's all part of getting Doctor Who, the brand, and the physical artefacts nearer to the people who watch the programme. Everyone's very familiar with everything now being on the internet and accessible via the magazines and the toys, but it's very rare for people to actually get a chance to see almost behind the scenes.
Work's underway this week to get the show ready for opening at the end of the month. And you get the chance to see the truly hideous creature that lives inside a Dalek. The exhibition includes lots of old Doctor Who favourites like My Mate Here, but there'll also be stuff from the new third series which hasn't been broadcast yet. Once it's been on the television, it'll come up here to Manchester. The success of the new Doctor Who means it's bound to be an immensely popular exhibition, but the museum has a reason for staging it.
One of the roles of our museum is to inspire public interest in science, and science fiction is a very powerful way of doing that. And at the moment, probably the best example of science fiction that's on broadcast television is Doctor Who. So we considered it a fantastic opportunity for us to put on an exhibition that will bring a lot of people in and hopefully inspire a lot of them to get excited about science.
Tickets are already on sale, though the show doesn't open until March the 31st. And you know what happens to parents who don't take their kids. Andy Gill, North West Tonight, Manchester.
So, scary or what? Well, I can tell you this, Tony Livesey's mum was scared by it.
Yeah, I was actually born.
And then she scared us.
I was born at home on a Saturday during an episode of Doctor Who in the first ever series.
Right.
Frightened your father to death.
My dad stayed watching Doctor Who, didn't even come upstairs to have a look.
But you love that, don't you? You love Doctor Who.
I love Doctor Who, yeah. The sea devils and those giant maggots in Wales, do you remember those?
No.
John Pertwee had to battle them. I'm going to that exhibition.
A fan. That's it from us. We'll see you tomorrow. Very good evening to you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you, bye.